Today we are discussing one of the important chapters, easy to understand, easy to learn, and also it is having a lot of applications in commerce. What is diagonal matrix? A matrix in which elements other than diagonal are zeros. So always we write number of rows first, then number of columns next. Null matrix means a matrix in which all the elements are zeros. Order of a matrix represents number of rows and number of columns. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. So arrangement of elements in rows and columns is matrix. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we are discussing one of the important chapters and more weightage for this chapter. Easy to understand, easy to learn, and also it is having a lot of applications in commerce. So now, matrices and determinants. This chapter includes two different units. One is matrices, the other one is determinants. In detail, we'll study both. And I am repeating, the problems of matrices and determinants, if you see, they are direct. Once you are thorough with the method, if you know problem or solving one problem, if you know method for one problem, you can solve all others easily. Without wasting our time, we'll start up with matrices and determinants. First, in today's class, we'll study definitions. First definition, what is a matrix? Matrix is arrangement of elements in rows and columns. When you write the elements in rows and columns, we call it as matrix. For example, here I have written 1, 5, minus 9, 2, 4, 5. So I wrote two rows, 1, 5, minus 9, and second row is 2, 4, 5. So I have written two rows. This horizontal is row and three columns. What are the three columns? 1, 2 is first column, 5, 4 is second column, minus 9, 5 is third column. Three columns, vertical is column. So arrangement of elements in rows and columns is matrix. Or we can also say rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns means what? Matrix. Matrix means arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Always we denote matrix using capital letter. For example, I'll write capital B means matrix B. Always we write the elements of matrix in square bracket, or sometimes you can also use normal parenthesis or normal brackets. So now matrix 3, 9, 5, 4, 1, 6, 7, 5. So now I wrote elements of the matrix. Each entry is called as element. So here, how many rows are there? Two rows are there. First row. Row means horizontal. Row means like this. Horizontal means first row. What are first row elements? 3, 9, minus 5, 4. These are the first row elements. Row 1 elements. And what is the second row? Second row, row 2. Row 2 is what? 1, 6, 7, 5. So two rows. And how many columns? Columns means vertical. 3, 1 is first column, 9, 6 is second column, and minus 5, 7 third column, 4, 5 fourth column. So matrix is arrangement of elements in rows and columns. And very important thing, always we represent matrix using capital letter. And elements of matrix, you can use real numbers or alphabets, that is lowercase alphabets. What is matrix? A rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Then we have very important concept called order of a matrix. Just now I told you arranging the elements in rows and columns constitute matrix. Order means number of rows and number of columns. Every matrix will have its own order. Order of a matrix means number of rows and number of columns. Order of a matrix represents number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows and number of columns in a matrix. For example, if I take A is equal to 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 1, 3. I wrote a matrix. How many rows are there? So we have two rows. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. 2 cross 3 is the order. What is the order? 2 cross 3. Here also, how many horizontal rows? This is first row, this is second row. So 2 rows. How many vertical columns? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns we have. First column 6 minus 2, second column 8, 4, third column elements 10, 5. So 3 columns, 2 cross 3. Order of a matrix means number of rows into number of columns of a matrix. What is order of a matrix? Number of rows into number of columns. And always when we take order of a matrix, we denote m cross n. M represents number of rows, n represents number of columns. A matrix of order m cross n contains m rows and n columns. It contains m rows and n columns. If I tell matrix of order 3 cross 4, it contains 3 rows and 4 columns. Always we write number of rows first, then number of columns next. And remember, 2 cross 3 is equal to 3 cross 2. Orders are different. 2 cross 3. See, in maths 2 3s and 3 2s are same, but we read this as 2 cross 3. Means order. So 2 rows 3 columns. Here 3 rows 2 columns. So m cross n is not equal to n cross m. M cross n represents order of a matrix. M represents number of rows and n represents number of columns. What is meant by order of a matrix? Order of a matrix represents number of rows and number of columns in a matrix. How to read this? We read this as m cross n. What does m stands for? M means number of rows. N means number of columns. First I taught you what is matrix. What is matrix? Rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns is a matrix. What is order of a matrix? Order of a matrix represents number of rows and number of columns. If I represent m cross n, m means number of rows and n number of columns. If I say 2 cross 3 means the matrix contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Then we have types of matrices. The very first and simple is null matrix. Null matrix means a matrix in which all the elements are zeros. A matrix in which all the elements are zeros. I wrote, generally null matrix we represent by O. So 0, 0, 0. This is a 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 cross 3 null matrix. And I write 2 cross 2. See, O is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a 2 cross 2 null matrix because every element is what? 0. A matrix in which all the elements are 0 is null matrix. So suppose I'll write a matrix like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is this? This is null matrix because each entry is what? 0. Whatever may be the order. What is the order for this? 3 rows and 3 columns. This is 3 cross 3 null matrix. The given example is 2 cross 3 null matrix. Here what I wrote is 2 cross 2 null matrix. What is meant by null matrix? A matrix in which every element is 0 is called as null matrix. Or we can also call it as zero matrix. Then row matrix. A matrix which contains only one row. What is row matrix? A matrix which contains only one row is called as row matrix. So here A is equal to 1, 2, 3. How many rows are there? One row. How many columns? 3 columns. Order is 1 cross 3. And row matrix will have order for a row matrix. For a row matrix, order will be always, we'll have any number of rows. Sorry, we'll have only one row and any number of columns. Order of row matrix is 1 cross n. Here you can see 1 cross 3 because 1 row 3 column. So now I'll write matrix B is equal to 5 minus 9 to 11. So is this a row matrix? Yes. Why? Because it contains only one row. A matrix which contains only one row or a matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. This is row matrix. What is the order? Order means what? Number of rows into number of columns. How many rows we have? One row. How many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. 1 cross 4. What is a row matrix? A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. And for a row matrix, we'll have one row and order of row matrix is always 1 cross n. Here we have one row but 3 columns. One horizontal row but 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 1 cross 4. Here one row but 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So 1 cross 3. So any row matrix will have order what? 1 cross n. What is meant by row matrix? Row matrix means a matrix having only one row. Any number of columns. And this is matrix containing one row. This is row matrix and 3 columns. Order is 1 cross 3, but this is called as row matrix. Similarly, we have column matrix. What is column matrix? Matrix having one column. Matrix having one column. And order of column matrix. Always order of column matrix is m. Any number of rows cross only one column. M cross 1. Here you can see I wrote a column matrix because it contains only one column. The column is made up of A, B, C. So we have 3 rows. Horizontally we have first row, second row, third row. 3 rows and only one column. 3 cross 1. So 3 cross 1 is the order. Now I'll write matrix B is equal to 5, 9, 11 minus 2. Is this a column matrix? Is this a column matrix? Yes. Why? Because it contains only one column and it has many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows. 4 rows, 1 column. 4 cross 1 column matrix. What is column matrix? Matrix having only 1 column. Then we have important concept called rectangular matrix. A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are not equal. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. Example, here we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have given a matrix. How many rows we have? 2 rows. How many columns we have? 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Vertically we have 3 columns. 2 cross 3. See, number of rows is 2. Number of columns is 3. They are not equal. A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are not equal, we call it as rectangular matrix. For example, if I write B is equal to 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 9. Is it a rectangular matrix? Yes. Why? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and we have 1, 2, 2 columns, 4 cross 2 order. So 4 is not equal to 2, means number of rows and number of columns are not same, therefore it's rectangle. Then very important, that is square matrix. Most important concept. From here the definitions are important. Square matrix means the speciality is number of rows will become equal to number of columns. If the matrix has 2 rows, then it should have 2 columns. So a matrix in which number of rows are equal to what? Number of columns. A matrix in which number of rows are equal to what? Number of columns, we call it a square matrix. Here they have written a square matrix 2 cross 2. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. Number of rows and number of columns are equal, so it's 2 cross 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Suppose if I write A is equal to 5, 9 minus 2, 6, 1, 3 minus 11, 4 minus 10. What is the order of this? Order means what? Number of rows into number of columns. How many rows we have? 3 rows. How many columns we have? 3 columns. So therefore, what is the order of this? 3 cross 3. So number of rows is equal to what? Number of columns. Therefore, this is a square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. So we have, in our syllabus, we have 2 cross 2 square matrix and 3 cross 3 square matrix, which we are going to study. So now here 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. So therefore, number of rows is equal to number of columns. This is square matrix. And in our syllabus, we have 2 cross 2 square matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns, and we have 3 cross 3 square matrix. Further, 4 cross 4 is also square matrix. We are not going to study so much. So our syllabus ends with only 3 cross 3. Now, all of you are thorough with what is a matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Then you know what is order of a matrix. Order of a matrix means what? Number of rows into number of columns. M cross n represents m rows and n columns, and m cross n is not equal to n cross m. And then we studied row matrix, a matrix which contains only 1 row. Then we studied column matrix, a matrix which contains only 1 column. Then rectangular matrix, matrix in which number of rows and columns are not equal. And square matrix, a matrix in which number of rows is exactly equal to number of columns. Then in a square matrix, suppose if I take A, B, C, D, is it a square matrix? The element starting from top first element to the bottom last element, we call this as principal diagonal. What we call it as? Principal diagonal. Diagonal elements means A and D. Suppose I'll write 3, 5, 6, 1, 6, 2, 7, minus 5, minus 9. So elements from the first joined to the last diagonally is the principal diagonal. What is principal diagonal? 3, 6, minus 9. Elements of principal diagonal 3, 6, minus 9. If I tell diagonal, then this is the diagonal. Here 1, 5, 9 is the principal diagonal and 3, 5, 7 is secondary diagonal, but we will never use secondary diagonal. So we are bothered about what? Principal diagonal. Principal diagonal means what? Elements starting from the first element and joining the last element diagonally. Write A, B, C, D, A and D is diagonal. And we call it as principal diagonal. In square matrix, we will have diagonal. Then, very, very important, diagonal matrix. What is a diagonal matrix? First of all, diagonal matrix is a square matrix. Square means what? It should have equal number of rows and number of columns. So now, square matrix is a diagonal matrix where non-diagonal elements, means elements other than diagonal, should be 0. So all of you know, square matrix means A, B, C, D. In this, all of you know, diagonal elements means A and D. and B and C are non-diagonal. So this is non-diagonal place, this is non-diagonal place. I removed. In the place of non-diagonal, if you put 0. So this is a diagonal matrix. First of all, it's a square matrix because what is the order? 2 cross 2. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. And it's a square matrix in which non-diagonal elements other than diagonal, this is diagonal. Non-diagonal means what? Elements other than diagonal are zeros. And 3 cross 3 diagonal matrix. A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. See, this is diagonal. Other than diagonal, leaving this diagonal, all elements are what? Zeros. So then we call it as diagonal matrix. What is a diagonal matrix? It is a square matrix in which, what is the speciality? Non-diagonal elements. In which what? Non-diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements means what? Elements other than diagonal. Elements other than diagonal, if they are zeros, we call it as diagonal matrix. So what is diagonal matrix? A matrix in which elements other than diagonal are zeros, or a matrix in which non-diagonal elements are zeros. So 1 2 cross 2 diagonal matrix I'll write, that is A 0 0 B. I'll write 1 3 cross 3 diagonal matrix. I'll write C is equal to A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. This is also diagonal because other than diagonal all are zeros. This is 3 cross 3 diagonal matrix. This is 2 cross 2 diagonal matrix. Any other example? So matrix M is equal to 5 0 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 minus 1. This is also a diagonal matrix. Why? Because other than diagonal all are what? Zeros. What is a diagonal matrix? It is a square matrix. You should not forget to write this. It is a square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are zeros. In which non-diagonal elements are zeros, or elements other than diagonal are zeros. Then scalar matrix. Very important. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix is what? Diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. So scalar matrix is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means what? It should contain only diagonal. Other than diagonal all are zeros. And speciality is these diagonal elements should be same. Means here and here we would have same K 0 and K. So you can say diagonal elements are same. For example, 5 0 0 5. My question to you, is it a diagonal matrix? Yes, because other than diagonal all are zeros. And speciality is what? Diagonal elements are same. So a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same, we call it as scalar matrix. For example, I'll take capital A is equal to 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. I can give 3 names to this. My first term is, it is a square matrix. Do you agree or not? Is it a square or not? Yes, because it has 3 rows 3 columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. My second term, it's a diagonal matrix. Why? Because other than diagonal all are zeros. It's a square matrix, it's a diagonal matrix, and now it's a scalar matrix. Why it is scalar matrix? Because diagonal elements are same. So that's why we're defining a scalar matrix means it is a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same. See here all the diagonal elements are same, 9 9 9. Here all the diagonal elements are same, 5 5. Here in my example what I gave, all the diagonal elements are same, minus 4 minus 4. What is a scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. What is a diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which elements other than diagonal all are what? Zeros. Then we have identity matrix. Identity matrix is a scalar matrix. All of you know scalar means what? Diagonal element should be same, but it's a scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is 1. Each diagonal element is 1. Identity of 2 cross 2 means 1 0 0 1. It's a scalar because diagonal elements are same, and by diagonal elements you cannot take any elements, you have to take 1. This is 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is 2 cross 2 identity. This is what? 2 cross 2 identity matrix, and this is 3 cross 3 identity. Here also you can see it is scalar because diagonal elements are same, and speciality is what? Each diagonal element is 1. So what is identity matrix? Identity matrix is a scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is equal to what? 1. And other name for this identity matrix is, we can also call it as unit matrix. Identity. Then we have just Q box. So now I taught you so many questions. I am asking you to fill this Q box. The question box is ready for you. The first question, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 is dash matrix. Second one, B is equal to minus 9, 0, 0, minus 9 is dash matrix. Third one, a matrix of order 3 cross 4 has how many elements? And diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same is called as what? So I am asking you to answer these 5 questions. To answer these 5 questions, go through my session, revise this and answer this. If you can answer these 5 questions for my next session, we can go ahead. So Q box is ready. Every day what I expect from students is simple. After my session, I'll give you a Q box. So watch this and answer this and attend for the next session. And very interesting concept, what I want to say, and to fill that Q box also, order of a matrix. See, M cross N matrix will have Mn elements. Very interesting. M cross N will have Mn elements. See here, how many, what is the order of this A? What is the order? 2 rows, 3 columns, 2 cross 3. 2 rows, 3 columns, 2 cross 3. 2 3s are 6. Exactly, you will have 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 elements. If a matrix is of order 2 cross 3, it will have 2 3s are 6 elements. If a matrix is of order 7 cross 2, so it will have 7 2s are 14 elements. A matrix of order M cross N will have Mn elements. Okay, my dear students, in today's class, I gave an introduction to matrices and I gave all the definitions and concepts of matrices. What I expect from you is learn all the definitions with one example. To answer this question, first you become thorough with all the definitions and basic definitions like square matrix. Square matrix means what? A matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are same. Then diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are zeros. Then scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal elements are same. Then identity matrix. Identity matrix is a scalar matrix in which diagonal element, each diagonal element is 1. Then scalar matrix means what? Diagonal element should be same and it should be a diagonal matrix. So read the definitions and identify what sort of matrix these are and answer my 5 questions what I gave in Q box and get ready for my next session. I'll be waiting for you in my next session. Till then, bye and thanks for attending my session. I'll see you in my next session with your answers. Thank you.